Hello, today I wanted to show off my do-it-yourself 3D printer project. It is a continuation of a project I started earlier this spring, and a link to an earlier version of the project can be found in the description below. This time around I focused on external I/O for the 3D printer. I added a micro SD card reader so that you could read files off an SD card and print an object. I also added a USB to serial module so you could print over USB. And finally, I implemented a menu for the stock LCD screen for the printer. The menu allows you to navigate the file system on the SD card, as well as do other quick actions like tell the nozzle to reset to the home position, or preheat the extruder nozzle itself. There were a number of other changes that I made under the hood this time, like adding proper motor drivers so that it could actually print something, as you can see here. And that's about it that I have to show. Thanks very much for watching.